The dream of retirement is a biological hallucination. We are told that making it means reaching a point where we no longer have to produce. But the human brain wasn't designed for a finish line. It was designed for a mission. The identity paradox: whether you have a massive nest egg or are starting from zero, the psychological risk is the same. The no nest egg trap: you risk a victim state, where work feels like a prison. This chronic resentment creates a cortisol spike that physically shrinks the hippocampus, the brain's center for memory and learning. The nest egg trap: you risk identity liquidation. Without a role or a grind, your ego collapses into a vacuum of irrelevance, leading to retirement depression. To survive, you must transition from a reactive dreamer, waiting for an end date, into a proactive executor who views work as the ultimate cognitive medicine. The 90-Day Psychological Survival Guide. Phase 1, Days 1 to 30, Structure Shield. Action: maintain a non-negotiable wake time. Do not sleep in. Schedule your hardest mental task for 9 a.m. Your brain must know the machine is still running. Phase 2, Days 31 to 60, Social Friction. Action: join a project where people depend on you. Social pressure is the guard against cognitive decline. If no one misses your input, your mental health is in the danger zone. Phase 3, Days 61 to 90, the Legacy Pivot. Action: treat your new mission like a high-stakes job. Set a goal that is too hard. This friction is what keeps neuroplasticity active. The Authority Skill Audit. To work until you die without burning out, pivot to skills with high social friction but low physical toll. What takes 20 years to learn? This is your consulting or mentoring niche. What requires the most working memory? This is your weapon against dementia. The Utility Audit. If money were deleted, how would you help your tribe? This is your true Ikigai. The Daily Discipline Protocol. To maintain the grind when external pressure disappears, use this system. Cognitive Ignition. 20 mins of high-intensity learning. 3 hours of production. You are a creator, not a consumer. The Social Stake. One interaction where you provide value to others. Physical Maintenance. Movement is a requirement for brain oxygenation. Case study: the active centenarian. Data shows that individuals who remain in a high responsibility state, even if they have the wealth to quit, have 40% lower rates of clinical depression and significantly higher cognitive reserve. They don't see work as a burden, they see it as the skeletal structure of their sanity. The takeaway: your brain doesn't care about your bank balance, it cares about your burden. It needs a weight to carry to stay strong. Embrace the lifelong grind, not for the paycheck, but for the sanity. Stay a proactive executor, keep your systems of discipline running, and never let the machine stop. Work until you die, not as a slave, but as a master of your own purpose. Next step: would you like me to create a printable daily discipline tracker based on this protocol to help you start your legacy phase today?